Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zendrop subscription from Shopify if you've been using Zendrop for dropshipping but have decided it's time to move on or try a different solution. This process will help you cleanly remove the app and end your subscription. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has Zendrop installed, as you'll need full access to manage your apps and subscriptions. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage, where you can see an overview of your store's activity. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a navigation panel with several options. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you into the back end of your Shopify store, where you can manage everything from billing to integrations. Now that you're in the settings area, focus again on the left side navigation. Here you'll see various sections like plan and permissions, billing, and more. What you're looking for is the option labeled Apps. Click on Apps to open up a list of all the third-party applications currently installed on your Shopify store. This is where Zendrop will be listed alongside any other apps you're using. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Zendrop. Once you've located it, you'll notice 3 dots beside the app name. These 3 dots represent a menu with additional options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and from the menu that appears, select Uninstall. This action tells Shopify that you want to remove Zendrop from your store entirely. At this point, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. Shopify wants to make sure you really intend to uninstall the app, as this will also cancel any active subscriptions tied to it. Read through the message briefly, then click Uninstall again to confirm your decision. This final click will remove Zendrop from your Shopify account and simultaneously cancel your subscription to Zendrop through Shopify, and that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Zendrop and canceled your subscription. Your store will no longer be billed for the app, and all connections between Zendrop and your Shopify account will be severed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.